Okay, so this is task 3 and 4 for lab 4. This task basically requires me to um, have a DOS attack from the attacker VM to the victim VM and store the packets which are received on the victim VM in a log and then analyze them. So in order to do this, the first thing I need to do is on the victim VM, I'm going to start the Snort service and store all the packets which are coming in a log file. So this has started. Now once it's starting to accept these packets and storing them in the log, I'm going to go on my attacker VM and do a sync flood on my victim VM. This is done using the MSF console metasploit. And the first command I've already written it is to use the auxiliary DOS TCP sync flood. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my R host as the victim 192.168.1.6, and then I'm going to exploit. So it's starting to do a sync flood on the victim on port 80. Now this should be enough. Now if I go on my victim VM, so these are all the packets which have been stored in the log which came from the attacker's VM. It is basically, since it's a sync flood, it's basically the same kind of packets which were sent during the Nmap scan. So I'm going to explain a packet or two in the log which has been stored. Okay, so if we look at this particular packet, this is actually going from the victim VM to the attacker VM. So this is a reply message which is going back from the victim to the attacker. So since it's a reply, we can infer that there was an initial sync packet which came in from the attacker on port 80, and it came from port 34337. Similarly, if we look at some other packets here, this packet is going again from the victim from port 80 to port 50706. So this means that there were a bunch of packets coming in from the attacker from different ports on the victim to basically have denial of service or do a first test of how the system would respond. Again, this is a reply back to this particular port, which is 809796. So as we can see that there are so many packets which came in from the attacker side to the victim on different from different ports, all on port 80. If we check the analysis of Snort here, so there were a total of 37,554 packets which were received and analyzed. Then 19,000 of them, that is 51%, had bad checksums. So they were basically crafted messages having bad checksums. So this concludes task 3.